Dear viewers and learners, I would like to give you some tricks. One, right form of verbs. And now I am going to start the session. Learners, if it's a present situation, then the structure is subject plus main verb. If subject he, she, it, name single means none but one, nothing but one thing, only one thing, only one person or thing. So then verb takes s or es. If it's a negative sentence, then you have to use subject plus do, don't or doesn't. Next, main verb. When it's a question sentence, that is interrogative sentence, question, then auxiliary will come first. Who takes H or es? They take does. Question, so do or does will come first, then subject, then verb, main, question mark. In the question of negative question, that is negative interrogative or interrogative negative question, don't or doesn't, then subject, then main verb, question mark. Now we can start. The earth move round the sun. It's a true fact, universal truth. So it also in the present situation. He play cricket. Earth, unique, so single thing, moves. He, when he, she, it and single name, then verb takes s or es. So he plays cricket. Now, if I make a negative question, so plays, then s or es takes does. So negative question, doesn't he play cricket? Question mark. Now, dear learners, you remember that we can change it in another way. He means pronoun. So, when he is pronoun, then we can write in another way. Does he not play cricket? If Name, just consider Rohim. So does, where we can use not before noun. Play cricket. So in the interrogative negative question, we can use before noun, not is added before noun after pronoun. It is also right. So this is the easy way to make it a negative question. Then for past situation, for past situation, number 2, past situation, verb past, then auxiliary negative, subject, did not or didn't, plus main verb. In the same way, did plus subject plus main verb, question mark, didn't for negative question, subject and verb main, question mark. For question, negative question or negative interrogative. Dear learners, there are some words which indicate its past event, past indicator. They are called past indicator. Ago, long ago, long ago, once, long since, long since, last, and finally yesterday, yesterday. There are some words, they are called past indicator, past indicator. So if we write first indicator, then structure is in the way. Now I am writing a sentence. Your father home yesterday I am making a question mark. So what's demand? Demand is that we have to find out auxiliary. For yesterday, past indicator, we have to use did as helping verb or auxiliary. When there is a question mark, then auxiliary will come first. So did. So did your father. So main verb, we have to think, we go home, we come home. Your father come, came, come. So as yesterday, as did, then main verb of come. Did you dash your homework? Okay? Homework. So, do no change of when you are using did, no change of main verb. If I write perform, then perform. complete, I can write complete. So, did you complete your homework? Yes. Indicator, yesterday. Day. This is the way. Now, another example. Once there lived a poor farmer in a certain village. Once past indicator, so lived, but past. Now another number 3, rule number 3. When just now, already, ever, yet, lately, recently. If these words are added to a sentence, then a structure is subject plus have or has, and then verb past participle. When past participle, then perfect. When have has, that is present. So consider the tense, present perfect. Very easy. You ever be to Dhaka? Consider. It's a question sentence. So ever is added to the sentence. So this is the structure. You demand have. So you have. As question mark, then have. You have. So have you. Sorry. You have. Auxiliary will come first. So ever, verb past participle, been to Dhaka. Then another example. So have you ever been to Dhaka? Question mark. Now I am giving you another example. I just my meal. It's an indicator. So it demands have or has. I have just. So meal, take. So have verb past participle, taken. If have, then had. I have just taken my meal, or I have just had my meal. I have just I have just had my meal. So thanks. Now, number 4. As if, as though, wish. Very common question. This is added. As if, as though demands subject onto your right, subject plus verb, past, simple past. And if subject, if you use be, so be should be changed into where. Okay? Now, he talks as if he does everything. If you consider he knows everything, no. So as I have written as if, then no should be changed into knew. He behaves as though he suppose the work. So, as though he suppose work, we do it. So, he behaves as though he do. What is its form? Past, then did. So, he behaves as though he did the work. Now, another example. I wish I dash a bird. Dear learners, it's not possible to be a bird, but it's a wish only. I wish. When wish, then if I use be, then not was, I were. So, I wish I were a bird, but it's not possible for you to be a bird. So, then there are 3 types of sins. If subject plus main verb, then subject plus verb past. If subject plus have or has demands verb past participle, then result is all the same, subject plus verb too. But if subject plus verb first, that is simple past, simple present, then subject plus had plus verb first participle. This is the structure. So, you have to consider the situation. It is many years I leave, suppose, leave home. So, since It is many years since I leave home. So, dear learners, before since is present. So, after subject verb past, that is left. So, it is many years since I left home. Now, another example. Many years have passed since. So, have and verb past participle, then subject I, suppose I. So, verb past, leave, so left, home. Then, it was many years since, past, before since, past, main past form of verb, be verb. So, on to your right, if I subject, then had, then verb past participle, left, home. So, we can consider it was many years since I had left home. This is the structure and it's a easy way for you to consider it. So, number 6. Rule number 6. Since, for, point of time, period of time, period of time, 5 days, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 months, 12 years. Duration. Yes, it's duration. Duration. Point of time. Morning. Last Sunday. 1971. Fixed point of time. So, they fit since. Period of time, duration. So, for 5 days, for 5 weeks, 2 weeks, for 3 months, or 12 years, for 12 years. So, I am writing. So, what would be the change? You have to write subject plus have been or has been plus main verb ing added. Dear learners, consider when ing, that is continuous, when verb past participle, then perfect, when have, has, then present. So, what's the name of the present? So, what's the name of the tense? Present perfect continuous. This is very easy. Now consider it rain since morning. Since point of time morning. So it have been or has been? It demands has been. It has been raining since morning. Since morning. Another example. I suffer from bad headache for the last, so for 3 days. So you have to consider duration 3 days, not fix up. So I demand have, then been, so I have been, then verb ing, suffer, so suffering. So I have been suffering from bad headache for 3 days. Now this is the last rule. Dear learners, there were 2 words done in the past, one after another. So in that very sense we use after or before. You have to mark. Before means one to your left. After means one to your right. So first work done, had plus past participle form of verb, and before the first are done in left, had plus verb first participle. Now what would be its change? In another side, one to your right, subject plus past, that is simple past, and before after what will be? Same way, verb past and subject. So subject, main verb past form, subject will come first, subject will come first. This is the way. So it's very easy way. 2 works done in the past, one after another. So what was done at first? Had. What was done at first? Had. So you have to consider before or after. After means on to your right, before means on to your left. So suppose I to school before you. No indication. So what would be done? You have to consider before. So I had come, suppose come to school before. So on to your right, verb past came. Very easy. So This is the first thing. And next, suppose after. It's written after. So, subject and verb and had plus verb first participle. I go to school after I dash my homework. So, after, left, verb past, then went, after the first work done by me, I suppose perform. So, I had performed. If you do, use. So, I had done my homework. So, dear learners, thank you all and have a good day. Wish you good luck. Stay home and stay safe.